Dear students, very good morning to all. Hope you are fine. Today's our offline class is about mechanism of evolution. Speciation is an evolutionary process by which new species arise. When new species arise, evolution is said to occur. Now, what is the cause or mechanism of origin of new species? Even though Mendel had talked of inheritable factors influencing phenotype, Darwin either ignored these observations or kept silence. According to Darwin, inheritable variations are the cause as they keep on accumulating from one generation to the other and ultimately give rise to new species. But Hugo de Varies had different views. Hugo de Varies conducted his study on the evening primrose or primrose plant in the first decade of 20th century, that is 1901, and talked about mutations. According to him, mutations were the cause of evolution and not the minor variations that Darwin talked about. Mutations are the large changes arising suddenly in the genomic sequence, the DNA RNA sequence of an organism. These mutations arise suddenly in a population, and those mutations which arise in the germ cells of an organism pass on to the next generation. The mutations are random and directionless. Differences between variations and mutations. Although variations and mutations both point towards the speciation, but there are some differences between them which can be summarized as: number first, the Darwinian variations are small, which means they cannot bring the sudden change in the life forms, and they can bring the change only when they accumulate, while mutations are large and they bring sudden change even in a span of single generation. Mutations do not need the accumulation. Number second, the variations are directional, whereas the mutations are random and directionless, and they can appear in all possible directions. Darwin said that evolution is a slow and gradual process which takes a lot of time to proceed, but Hugo de Varies believed that evolution occurs suddenly. The single step large mutation which can cause speciation was named saltation by De Vries. Now some questions. First question. Placental wolf and Tasmanian wolf marsupial exhibit. First option adaptive radiation. Second option divergent evolution. Third option convergent evolution. Fourth homology. You have to choose most appropriate one. Second, variety of beaks of finches that Darwin found in Galapagos Islands is an example of. First option adaptive radiation. Second option convergent evolution. Third option adaptive convergence. Fourth option analogous organs. Third question. Fitness, according to Darwin, refers ultimately and only to. First option dominance over others. Second option ability to defend. Third option strategy for obtaining food. Fourth option number of offsprings. Four question. Weizmann's theory of germplasm rejected. First option mutation theory. Second option Darwin's theory of natural selection. Third option Darwin's theory of pangenesis. Fourth option is neo-Darwinism. Thanks.